In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website in 10 minutes using Hostinger. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to get your website online, even if you're a complete beginner with no technical experience. We'll go step by step from setting up your site inside Hostinger all the way to editing your brand new WordPress website. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully installed WordPress site ready to customize. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, go to hostinger.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. From there, click on Add Website. Hostinger will ask you what type of website you want to create. Choose WordPress. This option allows Hostinger to automatically install WordPress for you, which saves a lot of time compared to manual installation. Next, you'll need to create your WordPress login details. Enter an email address and create a strong password. These will be the credentials you use to log into your WordPress dashboard, so make sure you save them somewhere safe. After entering your details, click Continue. Now Hostinger will ask you to choose a pre-built website. This is a huge time saver. You can choose from categories like blog, business, online store, portfolio, and more. Pick the one that best matches your goal. For example, if you're starting a personal blog, select a blog template. If you're building a company website, choose a business design. Once you select a template, you can preview it. Make sure to preview the design in desktop, mobile, and tablet views. This helps you see how your website will look on different devices. Since most visitors browse on mobile, this step is very important. If you're happy with the design, click Continue. After that, Hostinger may suggest adding some required or recommended plugins. Plugins add extra features to your website, like contact forms, SEO tools, or security enhancements. You can select the suggested plugins or customize based on your needs. Don't worry too much here. You can always install or remove plugins later from your WordPress dashboard. Next, you'll need to add a domain name. If you already purchased a domain through Hostinger, simply select it from the list. If you have a domain from another provider, you can connect it. And if you're not ready yet, you can use a temporary domain to get started. Using a temporary domain is great if you just want to build first and connect your real domain later. Once you've selected your domain, click Continue, and WordPress will now start installing automatically. This process may take a few minutes. Hostinger is setting up your database, installing WordPress core files, and configuring everything behind the scenes, so you don't have to do anything manually. When the installation is complete, you'll be taken directly to your WordPress site editor or dashboard. From here, you can start editing your website. You can change the text, replace images, modify colors, update your logo, and customize everything to match your brand. Simply click on different sections to edit them, and don't forget to click Save or Update when you're done making changes. And that's it. You've just created a WordPress website in about 10 minutes using Hostinger. As you can see, the process is beginner-friendly and doesn't require any coding at all. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.